So I use tin snips to cut this, but if you've got somebody working up here, you want to figure out the sharp edges because you don't want them to cut themselves. And then I push this on top, and then I fold these tabs down. So see, these tabs are sitting now on top of the drywall. There's 4, 2 on each side, and then so these just fold in, and that's pretty secure. But if you want to be really secure, well, I guess there's nothing you can do. You can't really put a drywall screw in here because you can't, because it'll go right through the drywall, and it's not really gonna hold. You could try. Other thing you could do, if you wanted, you could put a piece of wood or like a small piece of MDF and fold this over the MDF and then screw into the MDF, and that'll give you a much stronger hold, especially if you've got like really thin drywall. So that concludes how to put the access hatch in. If you have any questions, please put a comment. Thank you.